Hi and welcome to our lesson on introducing sharing in a ratio. Here we have a bar of chocolate. It measures 5 blocks by 7 blocks, which gives us a total of 35 blocks of chocolate. We want to share the chocolate between 2 people. We will place the chocolate for one person in a purple pot and the chocolate for the other person in a green pot. However, the chocolate won't be shared equally. We will share the 35 blocks of chocolate in the ratio 4:3. This means that for every 4 parts we place in the purple pot, we place 3 parts in the green pot. So we divide the chocolate like so. We can see that for every 4 parts we have on the left, we have 3 on the right. On the left we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of 4, which equals 20. And on the right we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of 3, which equals 15. So we have placed 20 blocks in the purple pot and 15 in the green pot. From our original ratio of 4:3, we now have a ratio of 20:15, or 20 parts to 15 parts. Here we have the same 35 block bar of chocolate. We want to share it in the ratio 4:1. For every 4 parts we place in the pink pot, we place 1 part in the blue pot. On the left we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lots of 4, which equals 28. And on the right we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 lots of 1, which equals 7. So we have placed 28 blocks in the pink pot and 7 in the blue pot. From our ratio of 4:1, we now have a ratio of 28:7. Here we have a different bar of chocolate. It measures 4 blocks by 4 blocks. This gives us a total of 16 blocks of chocolate. We want to share it between 2 people. We will place the chocolate for one person in the orange pot, and we will place the chocolate for the other person in the yellow pot. We must share the chocolate in the ratio 1:3. This means that for every 1 part we place in the orange pot, we place 3 parts in the yellow pot. We divide the chocolate like so. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 1 on the left, which equals 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 3 on the right, which equals 12. From our original ratio of 1:3, we now have a ratio of 4:12. Here are some questions for you to try. An accompanying activity sheet is available to download and print for this exercise. Pause the video now and have a go. Question 1. We have a bar of chocolate that measures 5 blocks by 4 blocks, so 20 blocks in total. Share 20 blocks in the ratio 4:1. For every 4 parts we place on the left, we place 1 part on the right. On the left there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 4, which equals 16. On the right we have 4 blocks. We have a ratio of 16 to 4. Question 2. Again, we have a 5 by 4 bar of chocolate. Share 20 blocks in the ratio 2 to 3. For every 2 blocks that we place on the left, we place 3 blocks on the right. On the left, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 2, which equals 8. And on the right, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of 3, which equals 12. We have a ratio of 8 to 12. Question 3. We have a bar of chocolate that measures 4 blocks by 6 blocks, so 24 blocks in total. Share 24 blocks in the ratio 1 to 3. For every 1 part that we place on the left, we place 3 parts on the right. On the left, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks, and on the right, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 3, which equals 18. We have a ratio of 6 to 18. Question 4. Again, we have a 4 by 6 bar of chocolate. Share 24 blocks in the ratio 5 to 3. For every 5 parts that we place on the left, we place 3 parts on the right. On the left, there are 1, 2, 3 lots of 5, which equals 15. On the right, there are 1, 2, 3 lots of 3, which equals 9. We have a ratio of 15 to 9. Thank you for watching. For further practice, more questions are available on our website.